We're gonna work a bit more on the outer hips. Tagging off of what we were working on yesterday. So, here's what we're gonna do. Pick a side. Close your eyes, sit up tall. And when I give you the word to go deeper, go deeper. That may be a little bit, maybe a lot, okay? Hold yourself here, just breathe, and I'll tell you when to go deeper. 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 Take my suggestion or don't. A little bit deeper. Breathe. Remember what I said about going a little bit past your limit point, a little bit past where you stretched last time, and just hold it for a moment. Hold it enough so you can take a deep breath in it. Don't be so quick to move out of it. Get to know your body, get to know when it's painful, if it's just uncomfortable, okay? We don't want to pull muscles. Alright, we're gonna open the hip up, off to the side. You're gonna hold it. Let's for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Straighten the leg. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. We're gonna do the other side. All right. Center yourself. This side for me is way tighter than the other side for some reason. Deeper. Deeper. Just getting pulled down. Breathe again. Surrender to the stress. Deep breath in and out. Go a little deeper. Hold it. You got this. Allow your muscles to expand, soften, lengthen, release the tension, let go. Deep breath in, inhale. Open up that leg out to the side. Hold it 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Straighten the leg, push into it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, release. That's all I have for you today, guys. Good job. That was a good stretch session. Thank you for joining me for Stretchmas. I so appreciate you guys. Let's close off, practice together with a deep breath in. I love this part of class. And hands to heart center. Bow forward in gratitude. Namaste. I love you guys. I hope you're enjoying your holiday season.